see you just like Stevie. You know, see them watching on 4K and not 3D. You know it good, you know. Girl, I watch you like cinema. Say she want get a kid in her.
Yeah, so blessings, my people. Blessings to each and every one. Just a come share, you know, some, you know, say a compilation of, you know, parishes right now, you know, affected by Beryl. Right, my people. But first, just like up the video, please and thank you very much. Push it up in our YouTube rankings and thing. Jassy B peeps, yeah, you don't know which part they are St. Andrew, you know, we not experience much and thing just look a rainfall and a half, which people prepare button up and stuff. But anyway, people, Jassy B with us super body out there, stay safe. And we just Jassy B, just make a prayer for the less fortunate, the persons them right now, you know, who out there right now, who we know said John was start. Them not really live nowhere, and it's rough, you know. But we just hope for the best. Anyway, peeps, be careful out there. Just watching videos up top. Blessing.
So guys, look at this. This is in my community. Imagine no stand or reach it, guys, and look at this. Guys, me I beg gonna pray for the Jamaicans. Pray for us. We need a prayer because look, I just want simple little breeze go on right here, so you know, and look, you know. May I tell you something what happened just too long today. The 1st of the 7th, 2024, you know. Mighty God, wanna pray for we. Pray for St. James.
One when they think you know
Yo,
we have to go.
Gotcha. I don't know where you walk past. The blood clot. Tree drop down. What's up, no chit chat? Hey! We accept you already. It has a waiting.
Yo, fellas. Watch. Holy shit.
Whoa!
Yo, shit, bro.
I come here, I come here,
Yeah.
you know, that's why it's a go and say, you know, you know.
It's a coming up?
Come here now. Come here now. What's a real good food? What's a real good food?
And them for no side, Ahmeds, representing for Just Blacks. Just Blacks tell them say prayer works. When the heathens are trying for you. Once you die, you hurt. The most I alert. If I'm them alone, them alone. Yeah man, Just Blacks, you don't know your success getting them upset, you know what I mean?